Hi everyone. Today our topic is basic forces of nature. All particle in nature is subjected to four fundamental forces: strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force, electromagnetic force, gravitational force. Strong nuclear force. The strong force is responsible for binding of neutron and proton in the nuclei. It is responsible for stability of matter. It is strongest of all fundamental forces. The strong force is very short-range force, and is negligible for separation greater than 10⁻⁻14 meter. The force represents the glue that hold the nucleons together. Weak nuclear force. The weak nuclear force are present inside the nuclei. The weak force is a short-range force, even shorter than strong force. It allows proton to turn into neutrons, and is responsible for radioactive decay. It is very important in nuclear fusion that happens in Sun. It is 10⁻⁹ times stronger than strong force. Electromagnetic force. It is responsible for binding of atoms and molecules. It is a long-range force that decreases in strength as the inverse square of separation between charges. It is 10⁻⁻² times the strength of strong force. Gravitational force. Gravitational force is present between two masses. The force that holds the planets, stars, and galaxies together. It is long-range order force that has strength only 10 to 38 times of strong force. Strong force are present between field particles, called gluons. Weak force is present by particles, called W and Z bosons. Electromagnetic force mediated by photons, which are the quanta of electromagnetic field. Gravitational force, mediated by quanta of gravitational field, called gravitons. Difference between gravitational and electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force. The force between two-point charges, which is directly proportional to product of charges, and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Gravitational force. The force between two masses, which is directly proportional to product of their masses, and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Both forces obey inverse square law, which states that force is inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Electromagnetic force is a strong force. Gravitational force is a weak force. Electromagnetic force may be attractive and repulsive. Gravitational force is always attractive. Electromagnetic force is a short-range force. For example, the electrical interaction between the paper pieces and the comb. Gravitational force has long-range order. For example, the force that causes the moon to move around Earth. Thanks for watching us.